Welcome to GUM Air. In a few moments, you will board one of our Cessna 206 aircraft for a safe and comfortable flight to your chosen destination. Before embarking, however, we request your close attention for a short but important safety briefing. Here are some key items you should always keep in mind when flying with GUM Air. Firearms and explosives are prohibited on all flights. Cargo containing dangerous goods is subject to national and international regulation. Please take some time to read the information poster on hazardous and other prohibited materials located in the departure hall. For your safety and that of everyone else on the aircraft, it is essential that your luggage does not contain any of the prohibited items. Smoking is not allowed on this and any other GUM Air flights. Remember also to never approach the airplane from the front where the propellers are located. A flight dispatcher will be with you shortly to escort you towards the aircraft. Please follow his directions while boarding. Let us review some important airplane emergency equipment and procedures. The Cessna 206 aircraft is equipped with a fire extinguisher which is located in the cockpit under the seat on the right-hand side. To activate the extinguisher, pull the pin, point the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle and sweep from side to side. A first aid kit is located in between the two seats of the cockpit. A survival kit is also on board and is located behind the last row of seats in the rear baggage compartment. For your safety in the case of an emergency during your flight, your captain might instruct you to assume a brace position. In the incidence of an emergency landing, you will have to exit the aircraft through the emergency exit. The Cessna 206 has one clearly marked emergency exit on the right-hand side of the passenger compartment. Turn the handle on the forward part of the door up in clockwise direction and push the door open. Next, pull the red lever at the bottom of the rear exit door down and push the door open. Before opening an exit, quickly look through the window to determine if the area outside the window is safe. Things to look out for are fire, heavy smoke, metal debris, or other obstructions. Once you have opened the emergency exit, always exit quickly and always away from the propellers. Now, let's get to a more standard but most important safety feature, your seat belt. Once you have taken your seat in the aircraft, please fasten your seat belt. Locate the two belts on either side of your seat and slide the flat metal part of one side into the buckle on the other side. Your seat belt can be tightened by pulling on the loose end of the belt as shown here. The seat belt can be reopened by lifting up on the top part of the buckle, hereby releasing the locking system. Please remember, keep your seatbelt fastened at all times during your flight. You may release your seatbelt only once the aircraft has landed and come to a complete stop. All hand luggage must be stowed in the baggage compartment of the aircraft. Once you are comfortably seated, you can refresh your memory on the emergency procedures by going over the safety briefing card located in the airplane. If you have any other questions, please feel free to approach your flight crew. Thank you for choosing GUM Air for your flight today, and we hope to welcome you again many times in the future. Have a safe and pleasant trip with GUM Air, your charter specialist.